Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these four identical quarter circles with the centers A, B, C, and D respectively, fully inscribed in a blue square A, B, C, D, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this yellow shaded region, as you can see. And moreover, the area of this yellow shaded region has been given to us as 2 minus pi divided by 2 centimeter square. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue square ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on this quarter circle with the center A. We can see that AE is the radius of this quarter circle. So I'm going to label this one as lowercase r. And likewise, AH is the radius of the very same quarter circle. So I'm going to label that one as lowercase r as well. And we know that all of these quarter circles are identical. So therefore, this EB is going to be lowercase r. Likewise, BF is going to be lowercase r. FC is going to be lowercase r. GC is lowercase r. DG is lowercase r. And finally, HD is lowercase r radius as well. And here's our next step. We know that we are dealing with this blue square ABCD. So therefore, all 8 sides are equal length. Let's focus on this side DC. We know its side length is going to be r plus r is going to be 2 times r. So therefore, the side length of this square is going to be 2 times r. And now let's make an observation. We can see we are dealing with these 4 quarter circles that are identical. So therefore, if we add the area of all these identical quarter circles, that is going to give us one full circle area, isn't it? Just bear in mind. And now we can see that this yellow shaded region area is equal to the blue square ABCD area minus the area of the full circle. And now we know this yellow shaded region area has been given to us as 2 minus pi divided by 2. So therefore, we are going to focus on the area of this blue square and the area of this full circle. And here's our next step. We are going to calculate the area of this blue square ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area is always equal to S square, where S represents the side length of the square. And in our case, the side length of this blue square is 2 times r. So therefore, I can write 2 times r whole square. And if we take care of that square, that is going to give us 4 times r square. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this full circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. So therefore, the circle area is going to be pi times the lowercase r square. And now let's recall this equation once again. The yellow shaded area equals to the blue square area minus the area of the circle. And we already figured out our blue square area as 4 times r square. Area of the circle as pi r square. And finally, this yellow shaded region area has been given to us as 2 minus pi divided by 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So I'm going to write down 2 minus pi divided by 2 is going to be equal to our blue square area is 4r square minus the circle area is pi times r square. And now I'm going to tweak this left hand side. I am going to multiply and divide by 2 at the very same time, and it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. And now I'm going to multiply this 2 on the numerator with each and every term in this parentheses. So the left hand side could be written as 1 divided by 2 times when we distribute 2, that is going to give us 4 minus this 2 and 2 cancels out. This is just pi equals to, and now on the right hand side we can see r square is in common. So I'm gonna factor out r square and I'm gonna write down 4 minus pi in the parentheses. And in this next step, I'm going to divide both sides by 4 minus pi. And please bear in mind that 4 minus pi must not be equal to 0. So therefore, we can see this 4 minus pi and this 4 minus pi is gone. Likewise, 4 minus pi and 4 minus pi are gone as well. So therefore, we are ended up with simply r square is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2. So thus our lowercase r square value turns out to be 1 divided by 2. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this blue square ABCD. And now let's focus on this equation. We know that the blue square area is 4 times r square. And our r square value is 1 divided by 2. So I'm going to substitute that 1 divided by 2 value over here. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So I'm going to write down 4 times 1 divided by 2. Now if we multiply and simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 2 centimeter square, the area of this blue square. So thus the area of this blue square ABCD turns out to be 2 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.